very good evening to all my students. Today it's wonderful to see you all because we are going to conduct an English speaking activity in front of you all, and that is presentation. It is presentation. अब सबके दिमाग में ये बात होगी कि सर ये बताइए कि ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे दिया जाए, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑनलाइन. ओके फाइन, आई विल टीच यू. अब ये जो मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर करके रखी है ये भी तो ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंटेशन की स्क्रीन है. मैं कौन सा आपके सामने ऑफलाइन हूं मेरे बच्चों? आई एम नॉट प्रेजेंट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल. सो आई विल गिव यू फ्यू टिप्स हाउ टू डिलीवर अ प्रेजेंटेशन. स्टेप 1, सबसे पहला जो स्टेप होता है वो क्या होता है, सुनना ध्यान से. इट इज कॉल्ड इंट्रो. योर इंट्रो शुड बी वेरी पावरफुल, very solid. How? So my dear audience, the day has come and the wait is over. Today I, Tarun sir, would like to present a presentation on one of the toughest English grammar topics, and the topic's name is antonym and synonym. These are considered to be very tough because there are not only 100, not only 1000, but lakhs of antonyms and synonyms. There are many students who get confused, sir, what to study, what not to study when it comes to antonym and synonyms. तो ये तो मैंने केवल आपको इंट्रो बताया. इंट्रो कैसे बताया? वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट इन माय मीटिंग रूम. Today I, Tarun sir, first of all welcomes you all and is going to present a presentation on my favorite topic. Step 2 में आप उस टॉपिक के बारे में बताएंगे. You will describe the topic. What will you do? You will describe the topic. समझ गए? और थर्ड राउंड, स्टेप 3, that is called conclusion round. क्या कहते हैं इसको? conclusion round. और इसको भी conclude करने का तरीका होता है. आप सीधा ये ना बोलिए थैंक यू सो मच, ओके बाय बाय, ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे. कंक्लूजन भी पावरफुल होना चाहिए. ओके ऑडियंस, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू अप्लाई अ ब्रेक टू माय वर्ड्स. फिर से सुनिए. ओके ऑडियंस, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू अप्लाई अ ब्रेक टू माय वर्ड्स. आई वुड लाइक टू कंक्लूड द टॉपिक बाय रेजिंग फ्यू क्वेश्चंस डॉट 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 डॉट. जिस भी तरीके से आप कंक्लूड करें. तो स्टेप 1 इंट्रो, स्टेप 2 डिस्क्राइबिंग द टॉपिक, स्टेप 3 कंक्लूजन. इंट्रो में आप लगाएंगे केवल 20 सेकेंड्स. टॉपिक को डिस्क्राइब करने में आप लगाएंगे 1 मिनट और कंक्लूजन में आप लगाएंगे 20 सेकेंड्स. समझ रहे? तो टोटल आप ऐसा कुछ करिए कि 2 मिनट्स में आपका प्रेजेंटेशन ओवर हो जाए. चलिए जरा एक और चीज देखते हैं बहुत अच्छी सी, कि अगर आप ऑफलाइन होते तब आप प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे करते. चलो भाई, आपको स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
वेलकम टू.
sir.
ओके 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 ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. सो वेलकम टू डिजायर करियर पॉइंट. दिस इज माय सेंटर. यहीं से मेरी जीवन की पढ़ाने की शुरुआत हुई है, डिजायर करियर पॉइंट. एंड लुक एट हाउ आई एम टीचिंग हाउ टू प्रेजेंट अ प्रेजेंटेशन टू ऑल एज ग्रुप. ये देखिए, ये वर्किंग है, ये वर्किंग है, ये भाई साहब स्टूडेंट हैं, ये हाउसवाइफ हैं, ये स्कूल गोइंग बॉय है, ये ग्रेजुएशन की बच्चियां हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ आई टीच द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ऑल एज ग्रुप. और इनको मैं सिखा रहा हूं कि कैसे आपको खड़े होकर प्रेजेंटेशन देना है. इनको भी मैंने वही 3 राउंड्स बताए. आई हैव डिस्क्राइब्ड, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द 3 राउंड्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम, और मैंने आपको भी वही चीज बताई. समझ गए? सो it is wonderful when it comes to presenting an online presentation. Why? Because you can take the support of PDF, PPTs, pictorial representation. इन सब चीजों का आप सहारा ले सकते हैं. You can take the help of these things. समझ गए? तो चलिए जरा इसको, स्क्रीन को हटाते हैं. So class, are you people ready with your presentations?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait.
Yes.
Wait. Very good. Thank you so much. So who is the first candidate who wants to deliver his or her presentation? Please come in front.
So can I?
Beta, do you have a name?
Sir Ravisha.
ओके रविशा, रविशा मैं आपको राइट्स दे रहा हूं, ये आप बन गए होस्ट। अगर कोई एडमिशन मांगता है क्लास में तो उसको एडमिट कर लीजिएगा पार्टिसिपेंट की लिस्ट से।
Yes, sir.
अरे रुको, रविशा कहाँ है? तुम्हें मिल गए राइट्स?
No, sir.
एक सेकंड रुको रहो।
सर मुझे मिल गया।
अच्छा वेट करिए, बड़े गलत हाथों में चले गए राइट्स। बेटा आकर्षिका आप बना दो रविशा को होस्ट जल्दी से। लो अभी देखना वो क्या करेंगी, कहीं ऐसा ना हो मीटिंग ही ना एंड कर दो, पता चला रिकॉर्ड हो रही है, ये सब मेरे ही पढ़ाए हुए बेवकूफ बच्चे हैं। तो ये हाँ रविशा बन गई, वेरी गुड। ओके रविशा जी 1 2 3 अब आपको जैसे भी ऑपरेट करना है, यू कैन ऑपरेट जूम, दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग द क्लासेस ऑन जूम। चलिए स्टार्ट करिए।
So hello and good evening to everyone. I am Ravisha Batra and I am going to present a presentation on the topic my favorite subject. So my favorite subject is English. English is the largest spoken language in the world. There are many subjects which I study and I like, but English is the most which I like. There are many reasons why English is my favorite subject. The person who speaks English attracts people. Nowadays, interviews are also taken in English. So English is so important to learn. English is a language through which we can learn something new every day. It can also be because a new word is added to a dictionary every 2 hours. English is a subject I like because it's simple and an international language. Now, a fact that not only foreigners but we Indians also do speak, which makes it easy to communicate with them. The most interesting fact, or say it most made in English, is related to time. Just a question I would like to ask in Hindi. What do we say? 1.5 घंटे को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Can anyone answer it?
Excellent
correctly?
student, she has a question. Why don't you use the screen? You had to use the screen first. चलो not a problem. धीरे धीरे उसकी आदत पड़ जाएगी।
I will present the photos at the end.
Okay now she is asking a question. Participate. 1.5 घंटे को, अच्छा 1.5 घंटे को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? चलिए जरा बाकी लोग बोलिए जरा।
Sir, 1.5 hour.
सर 1.5 hours।
1.5 hour.
So that's wrong.
1.5।
So that's wrong. It's half an hour and a half. That's called hour and a half, not 1.5 hours. In proper English, it's called hour and a half.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Even I learned this today. This is the benefit of delivering a presentation, because though I am an English teacher, मैं randomly तेजी से बोल दूंगा 1.5 या 1 point, मैं ज्यादातर बोलता हूँ 1.5 hours. बात समझे? रविशा, could you please repeat it again? It's awesome. Excellent. Thank you so much for this.
That's called half. That's called hour and a half or 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Okay, good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Predictions can prove difficult, like how we get on a bus and into a car. English is a language through which we get to know something new every time. So learn new every day. So audience, now I will like to apply break on my words and present some photos. Please see that.
Okay, you are exceeding time. चलिए.
So this is the first photograph. Here it's written that rhythm is the longest word without vowels. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog is the longest sentence which it is the shortest sentence which has all the alphabets from A to Z. I am is the only shortest complete sentence. Abstemious and facious, these two words are only words in English that have 5 vowels in order. In this language, name of all continents end with the same letter from which they start. AS, Asia, Europe.
Very nice, amazing. My God. All new concepts. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, okay. Now you can wait. I'll just take the name. Yes, who wants to present a presentation? Who is next?
Sir, may I?
What's your name, bache?
Sir, Khwahish Batra.
Beta, इनको rights दीजिए. Make her the host.
Sir, I'm not going to present the photos. I'm going to tell only some words.
रविशा, मुझे host बना दीजिए. ख्वाहिश start कर दीजिए. Start करिए.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Good evening to one and all present here. I hope you all are fine. Firstly, I would thank Tarun sir for giving me this huge opportunity on speaking few lines on the topic, my favorite subject. So my favorite subject, as most of you must be knowing, that is biology. That is a branch of science. This is because teaches me about the human body, animal life, and also about plants. Well, I don't much like to study about humans that are we and animals, but I like to study about plants because it's very interesting to study about plants. That's how plants grow and what is their life process. And yes, biology is also called as science of life. Now, if biology is my favorite subject, so I must also know that who is the father of biology. So the father of biology is Aristotle. So for today, I must tell only this much for my favorite subject, but next time I will tell more about my favorite subject. Thank you everyone for listening me.
Excellent. Okay, now I'll just correct your pronunciation. ये जो word है, ये biology नहीं कहलाता. मेरे साथ बोलिए biology.
Biology.
Okay.
Biology.
No. Biology. Okay, this is the correct pronunciation.
Biology.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, Khwahish and Ravisha, well done. Third candidate. अपना नाम बताइए. Who wants to come up? No one. कोई बात नहीं.
So Diksha.
Diksha wants to come and चलिए भाई इनको rights दीजिए. Yes, Diksha, start. So very good presentation by two students, and slowly and steadily you will also learn one thing. You would be delivering a presentation without seeing here and there. देखो presentation की एक खास बात होती है. अभी जैसे मैं ख्वाहिश को देख रहा था तो उसका सर ऐसे था नीचे, वो पता चल जाता है कि वो देख के बता रही है बच्ची. अभी आप धीरे धीरे कैसे हो जाएंगे, प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे देंगे सामने सामने. Hello everyone, today my presentation topic is verbs. Verbs are known as action words. ये देखो, तो आपको ऑडियंस को पकड़ के चलना है. You have to catch the audience, otherwise वो रूम छोड़ देगा. चलिए दीक्षा. हाँ, very good. She has started to share the screen. Save environment. Very nice. Very nice. PPT F5 कर दीजिए.
Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly.
I am Diksha Pandey of grade 12th. Today, I would like to present a very strong topic that is save environment in front of you all. Do you know that recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours? Let's move on and discuss something about what actually environment is. The simple definition of environment is the surrounding. It is what surrounds a thing. We can also define environment as a combination of all of physical and organic factors that act on a living being, residents, or ecological society, which parts its endurance and growth. Let me just add on one more thing about how to save the environment. So here are some suggestions that can help you out in preserving the environment. First, conserve water. Second, conserve energy. Third, grow more trees. Fourth, recycle the wastage. Fifth, ban the polythene. And sixth, use renewable sources. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Thank you and have a nice day to all.
Amazing, amazing. What beautiful images. And the conclusion, how to conclude, I'll tell you. In conclusion, my dear audience, in case if you have any queries or questions, you can raise it related to my presentation. So audience, do you have any questions from Diksha? Okay, I have one question. Can you please name the campaign very famous in our country related to the safety of our environment?
The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Thank you so much. Again, awesome. Good work. Good work. Chaliye, next candidate. Who is coming into the picture?
प्रियांशी.
बेटा प्रियांशी को आप राइट्स दीजिए. प्रियांशी को दीजिएगा. प्रियांशी के आगे 11 ना लिखाओ. There are 2 Priyanshis. वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर दे रहे हैं. ओके दीक्षा, ये स्क्रीन शेयरिंग बंद कर दीजिए. हाँ, स्टॉप शेयरिंग करके प्रियांशी को फटाफट दीजिए राइट्स. मेक हर द होस्ट सो दैट शी डिलीवर्स हर प्रेजेंटेशन. एक्सीलेंट. हाँ, इसको आप स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दीजिए सीधा सीधा. नीचे एक बटन होगी स्टॉप शेयरिंग की. हाँ, यहां से स्टॉप शेयरिंग कर दीजिए, रेड वाला बटन. नहीं हो रहा है. अच्छा, नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स वेरी इजी बच्चे. एक रेड बटन बन के आ रहा होगा, उसके ऊपर क्लिक कर दीजिए ऐसे ही. ओके, वेरी गुड. अब उसको आप होस्ट बना दो जल्दी से. पार्टिसिपेंट्स में जाइए. पार्टिसिपेंट्स में फटाफट नाम आ रहे होंगे, उसके आगे राइट क्लिक करिए. केवल प्रियांशी लिखा आ रहा होगा, मोर लिखा आ रहा होगा. मोर पे क्लिक करेंगे आप तो आपको मिल जाएगा वो ऑप्शन. मेक होस्ट आ रहा होगा, बना दीजिए. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. चलिए प्रियांशी फटाफट, टाइम चला गया. हाँ, टेक्निकलिटी में. चलिए. ओ माय गॉड, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट. एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट. सब लोग सीखिए जरा. शी इज गोइंग टू टीच यू इंग्लिश, वन ऑफ द इंग्लिश ग्रामर टॉपिक्स. चलिए.
Good morning all. Good evening all. Today I, Priyanshi, would like to present a presentation on topic subject verb agreement. What actually subject verb agreement means? Subject verb agreement refers to the relationship between the subject and predicate of the sentence. Subjects and verbs must always agree in 2 ways, tense and number. Now I would tell some rules on subject verb agreement. The basic rule of subject verb agreement is singular verbs must have singular verbs, plural subjects take plural verbs. The pronouns you always take a plural verb. Example is, you were invited to come. If a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the subject which follows it. Examples: here are the ways on how to preserve meat. There is a huge gap between the rich and the poor. If two subjects, one single and one plural, are connected by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject. Example: neither the players nor the coach is joining. A plural subject followed by intervening words or phrases such as with, as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, together with, and no less than takes a singular verb. Example is, Daddy as well as my brothers is enjoying the party. Fifth is, singular subjects joined by and require a plural verb except when they mean one thing. My teacher and friend is here. Two singular subjects joined by either or neither nor take a singular verb. Example is, neither mommy nor daddy is coming with me at the outbound. If a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. Examples: one of the boys is yelling so loud. One of the members is against the rule. The indefinite pronouns several, few, both, may, others are always plural. Examples: both were asking to be fed. Several are seeking justice. The indefinite pronouns some, most, all, none are singular or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. Example: some of the girls were absent. When any of the following indefinite rules is the subject, the verb is singular: everybody, each, no one, and another, anybody, nobody, every, nothing, everything, anyone, either, neither, everyone, somebody, someone. Example is, every man and woman in this hall is a member. The following words are always plural: pants, trousers, pillars, scissors, tongs. However, if the word pair is used, the verb is singular. Example: the pants are torn into two. Certain nouns through plural in form are singular in meaning and therefore they take singular verbs. Example: mathematics is my favorite subject. Thank you.
Excellent. My God. These are amazing.
Sir, may I?
These are amazing concepts. Priyanshi,
Sir,
Akarshika. Oh, wait a second. Yes, बच्चे. Priyanshi, बोलिए.
sir, I just wanted to ask a question from everyone.
Yes.
It has disabled. I don't know why. My one question to you is, politics dash sometimes a dirty business. The options are or is.
Yes. Tell me, politics is a dirty game or politics are a dirty game?
Is.
Oh, okay. Very good. So I would tell you it uses singular helping verb. Excellent. Politics एक चीज है, समझे ना? इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स, समझे ना? को तो उसको सिंगुलर मानते हैं. चलिए आकर्षिका को जरा दीजिए राइट्स. आकर्षिका को राइट्स दीजिए. Very good to see. I thought that only one or two students would be doing this, but there are multiple students who have delivered their presentation. Akarshika, start. देखें क्या लाए हैं. यही सब लाओगे तुम. हाँ, चलिए शुरू करो.
Good afternoon, one and all present in this meeting room. Today, I, Akarshika Gupta, would like to present my presentation on the topic of favorite subject. No one is my favorite subject, just the subject in which I get the highest marks. That subject becomes my favorite subject. Okay, audience, now it's time to apply break to my words. See the happiness on his face, the happiness on his face. In the same way, I also get happy when I get good marks. Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice way to escape from a presentation. So this is what happens. Excellent. The subject in which you score good marks. Very nice. God bless you. Okay, Akarshika, you are done. Next. One.
So
may I बेटा नाम बताइए. प्रियांशी 11 को जल्दी से. आकर्षिका, प्रियांशी 11. Give her the rights. We have only 7 minutes. तो 3 presentations और हो सकते हैं. प्रियांशी, start. Amazing, amazing. प्रियांशी ने मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर कर ली और मैं ही आ रहा हूं बन के. My favorite subject. Yes, start. Okay, good.
Good evening, sir. It's Priyanshi of class 11th ISC. I would like to present my presentation before you all. As per a topic, what's my favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. As it's a universal language, I enjoy making dialogues, having small group discussions, and even learning new phrases and grammar material. I believe that foreign languages makes own and expressive and flexible. As it enhances many personalities, interactive skills, and imagination. I like reading interesting thrillers and story fictions. And that brings to us to an end. And thank you so much for your interest and attention. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. You'll have to only limit your speed. I'll teach everyone how to deliver a presentation. बहुत अच्छा, very good accent, no pronunciation mistake, and good confidence. Yes, next.
शाश्वत सिंह.
शाश्वत को राइट्स दीजिए. क्या स्पीड से शेयर कर रहे हैं, एज इफ यू पीपल नो मोर देन मी. बायोलॉजी लाइए जरा. कोविड ओविड के ऊपर तो नहीं लेके आ गए हो?
नो सर.
अच्छा, काश मेरा कोई स्टूडेंट एंटीडोट बना दे. मेरी बात समझ गए ना?
Good evening to all of you. I Shashwat Singh would like to present my presentation on my favorite subject, that is biology. Biology is my favorite subject as I love to study about the human body and also the various types of organisms in the earth. I also like to study about the various types of organs like eye, ears, nose, etc. I have chosen biology, not maths, as I want to become a doctor. In biology, my favorite topic is chapter cell. In biology, chapter cell I like the most because when we look around the world, we see many living and many non-living things. What are they? This shows the presence of basic unit of life, the cell. All organisms are composed of cells. Some of a single cell are called unicellular, while others are called multicellular. I will conclude my presentation with a small brief of chapter cell. Thank you.
वाह, क्या शॉर्टकट मारा है. विद अ स्मॉल ब्रीफ ऑफ सेल. एक्सीलेंट. गॉड, गुड जॉब. वेरी नाइस. बट छोटा प्रेजेंटेशन, बहुत बढ़िया. आप लोगों ने ये सब बनाया. यू पीपल हैव मेड दिस. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग प्रेजेंटेशंस ऑनलाइन. सो बच्चों, कोई 2 शब्द अगर आपके पास, इन केस इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ प्रेजेंटेशन, तो क्या कोई 2 शब्द बोलना चाहता है अपनी तरफ से अबाउट योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? अशारिफ, ज्यादा मुस्कुराओ मत, अंदर ही अंदर. हाँ, प्रेजेंट करो. हाँ, प्रेजेंट करो कुछ. विच इज अ फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? चलो ऑडियो अनम्यूट करो जरा. हाँ बेटा, विच इज योर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? टेल मी.
Myself Asharif Ansari, and my favorite subject is psychology. I opt for psychology because I'm always curious about the working of human mind.
Working of very nice, very but one line is more than sufficient. You were very curious to know that what is actually running in a human mind. बिल्कुल सही, बहुत अच्छे समझे. Your wife is going to really be very happy with you. तुम उनका माइंड पढ़ते रहना, वो तुम्हारा माइंड पढ़ती रहेंगी. ऐसे ही दोनों लोग निकल लेना. हाँ, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट. नेक्स्ट anyone? Okay. So class, आप लोगों को पता है दैट एक दिन स्पीकिंग, एक दिन ग्रामर, तो कल किस चीज की बारी है? Excellent, excellent. Grammar. You won't believe this is something very shocking. कल 25 स्टूडेंट्स थे और आज 16 स्टूडेंट्स है, तो मतलब 9 स्टूडेंट्स आर ओनली इंटरेस्टेड इन ग्रामर। अब देखना यह है कि कल कितने कम होते हैं। अगर 25 रहे so इसका मतलब there are 16 students approximately who are actually preferring both English grammar and speaking. So tomorrow in the English grammar session, I would be teaching you word formation once again, not in the form of sentences, in the form of words. And we also would be starting with one more new topic, sentence formation. Very interesting. बहुत कम लोग ने इसके बारे में सुना होगा, sentence formation. समझ गए? So God bless you all. Thank you so much. Be connected. Stay home. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.